Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to talk about some common mistakes you can make in science. And these are also common mistakes that I made and then didn't dare to do it once again. Now, these two mistakes, they are somewhat meaningless if, well, you're in a situation where it doesn't do that much. But you'll see how damaging they can be, because these can be really frustrating. So the first one is the sort of smaller one, and it's not that big of a deal, and it's mixing weight with mass. Now, this is very common, believe me, and in our everyday sort of talk, when somebody asks you about your weight, you should say it in newtons and not in kilograms. And when somebody asks you about your mass, well then, you do it in kilograms. Now, if this is in a calculation, this thing can really mess up everything. But these mistakes are, somewhat small when you're doing just a simple assignment, like astronauts' mass on Earth is, 70 kilograms. What is it on the moon? And of course, it's the same, because mass never changes. And if you got his weight, well then it would all be different, because you would get 700 newtons, a little less, because 1 kilogram is 9.81 newtons. And so, per kilogram, shut up, Odd Opinions. And so you would get a totally different calculation. And if this is in a huge equation, well then you are truly in a ditch. Because if you miscalculate that, if you make that mistake, well then, oh wow. You are just going to be destroyed, because you have to do the calculation all over again and just do all of the equations and everything, you will start everything from a scratch, and that's really not fun. Believe me, I had a little taste of it, and never again. Like, right now, every time I do an equation with this, I literally write a note down. Mass is not weight, and if you mistake those two, as I said, it can be really huge. And I really don't like doing everything over again. And so, seriously, just write the note down. It's not a lot to write, and you don't have to do the equation all over again. And this is also a mistake in speech. When you ask somebody for their weight, they should not say it in kilograms. They should say it in newtons. And so, it's a common mistake in science and in everyday life. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will make a part 2 of common mistakes, where in the next one, it will be giant. Just a mistake and a huge loss of time. And so, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.